Hi, this is Carson Owens. I'm in FTT 122, section 52269, and the date is September 20th, 2024. Okay, the cartridge is in the bullet puller. And there's the case and the projectile. If the primer and the powder is not in there, if it would have had powder, you could pour it out of here into someplace safe. And the primer is recommended that you put it in the gun it belongs in and pop the cap that way. Okay, the first dimension is the diameter of the projectile. Okay, and that is 0.224. All right, and then the neck of the case. All right, that's 2.253. Okay, the rim. Open that up a bit. All right. Okay, the rim is 0.378. Alright, the head area here is okay. That's 0.376. And the body, back it up just a little. Okay, body is 0.377. And then the weight in grains of the projectile let me tear that out. Uh, 54.9 grains, so that's pretty close. Okay, I'm going to trace at 223. Okay, now I'm going to plug the numbers I got in with the diagram here. The neck was 0.253. The shoulder is 0.354. The body is 0.377. The head is 0.376, and the rim is 0.378, and the weight on that came to 54.9 grains. So just fraction off.